job to make this dish to hold the candle. Dish, orb, or whatever you want to call it, is to fit the faceplate onto the back side of this piece of wood. And incidentally, this piece of wood has been, we cut this tree down about 5 years ago, so it's pretty well dried out now. I believe it was an oak tree. As you can see, it's very, very tightly packed grain. So I've got to create now a bit of a flat on here, and what I also want to do is try, because this is going to be a natural edge bowl essentially, I want to keep the wavy pattern around the outside. So what I have to do is situate the faceplate in a plane in this surface of the wood here, to be able to keep the undulations of the edge of the bowl. So what I need to do is create a flat area in here that matches with the undulations, because on the other side of the bowl, that's going to be the back of the bowl, we're going to machine somewhere to put our chuck into. And what I normally do is I make a mortise that the chuck fits into in the back, so then I can splay the jaws of my chuck and grab onto it really tight, because this weighs about 14 or 15 kilograms, so it's a fair lump to be spinning around in a lathe. Okay, so I've taken off a lot of the waste material, and I've now got the lathe set on its slowest setting. Although I've got it on the faceplate and it's perfectly safe just on the faceplate, I always bring the tailstock and quill up and support this end. I just don't like this much weight flying around. You know, off center, or you know, sort of out of balance, and it is going to be out of balance, but anyway, we'll see what we can make of it. Okay, I've virtually got it round now. I've just got a small flat spot there, and what I'm trying to do, I've got a split in the wood there that I'm actually machining out now. It should disappear by the time I get to about here, so that's what I'm hoping anyway. So we'll just continue with that. Okay, what you just saw me cut there with my skew is the mortise that is required for my chuck. If you notice, the jaws here are angled on the end. Just so happens it's the same angle as this, so this tool is ideal for cutting the correct angle for my chuck in the back of this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just I'm happy with the outside of this now, and I've gone all the way down to 400 grit paper, and it's looking okay. So what I'm going to do now is give it a bit of a finish of boiled linseed oil and let that soak in overnight, and see what it looks like in the morning. And then we'll turn it around and scallop at the inside to fit that lovely glass bowl. So here we go. Well, so far so good. That is turning out to be beautiful. I've actually decided to call this a mood bowl because I think by the time you put the glass bowl feature inside it with the candle and light it, probably put you in a better mood. So let's take the faceplate off now, and we'll fit it to the chuck and we'll carve the inside out. Also, what's going to be special with this is we're going to carve the inside out to the exact contour of the glass bowl. Okay, what I've decided to do, or what I normally do in these sort of situations, because this bowl is still quite a bit out of balance, although I've machined the back and that's all perfectly round now and nice and finished. Actually, I've even put a finished coat on it. The front side is very wavy and it's quite a bit out of balance, so what I do, although I've got a firm grip with my 4-jaw scroll chuck in the back, I bring the tailstock up and just put the live center in just to support the center until I've removed some of the material here to makes me feel better anyway. I'm sure it'll be alright, and I've never really had a problem, but I have had a couple of bowls fly apart, and I've had a couple of accidents with them. As all wood turners do. So I take extra precautions by using the tailstock as it's there to support it, and we'll start to carve out some of the inside now. Okay, unfortunately I've lost more back, but I don't think that's going to be a big problem to me. Actually, that is now fitting pretty perfectly. Not much gap around the sides, maybe another millimetre off the inside there. Starting to look pretty good. So there it is. I hope you've enjoyed watching the making of this mood ball. If you have, please subscribe to my channel or press like, and as usual, the red box down in that bottom corner, you click on that and that'll take you to my YouTube channel, where you'll find wood turning jobs. You'll find actually one video or actually two videos that may interest you if you've been interested in wood turning. I'll show you how to make your own lathe for less than $150, but a decent homemade lathe, and that is 21 and 22. So that might interest you. Other than that, you will find other projects like cabinet making, tool making. Also, I do a lot of CNC router work. If you want to know what a CNC router is, well, just go to my YouTube channel and that will explain to you a lot more than what I can stood here. So thank you very much for watching, and bye till next time. Bye.